Some ever visit up on the wall again, I'm not sure. Hello, my little ghost friend on the wall. Over there saying hello. My ghost friend is back. There's a little boy today look like it's a lady saying hello. It's right there on the wall. I want to go live too. She's right there on the wall. Sometimes it's a boy, but today it's a lady. You can see her hair there, down the nose and the eye. And she's saying hello to you guys. Right there in the wall. She's right there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Say hello to the people all over the world. Oh, baby, that's why you've been running all the time? Come on. Don't let me close one another. I don't want to hurt anymore. Stay in my heart if you're there. Don't walk away if you can. Don't walk. See, I'm told Pastor. Walk away from me. I'm just busy working good. It's people getting the celebrate white, I'm almost done. Can't I get to the celebrate white because I'm almost done. You take out all the hard spot them, all the dark spot them. And if you're pretty and maybe in my eye, I'm kind of black up coming here fix the makeup. I didn't fix it. Sorry about my black up eye. Because I soon go wash off, then I go to my bed, come in bed. So let me fix up makeup and I soon go wash off. But anyway, everybody I can't get them celebrity white. Let me tell you how much buckle. Just a couple buckle left. Lord. On a run, can't get them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. I got 9 buckle left. Then gone down goody. Call and get a celebrity white. Everybody use it and love it and buy it over it and sell off. Call and get a celebrity white mask and make your kid look good. One stand for all. Call and get a celebrity white. Yes, baby, I miss a style and fashion. Oh, you mean when they eat, you have to mag up on them. You have to tell them, say, you're a hot girl. And mag up on them with your nice jumper. I want to them. Then they say, you're born superstar. Oh, sorry, it's about them at the ear, so. Because you have glamour, and you have style, and you have hips that never will spoil, and so on. Hi, babies. Good night. I love you too. Good night, babies. I love you guys. Good night. How are you? Good night. Yes, ma'am. Good night. Well, tonight we can talk about. They only have one of the salon that they have left. But like them, oh Lord, it's full up. Is it full up of the stick upon it? Wow. So it's spin on the back, man. Something like when you go on the top is something, so. Oh. That's the Iraqi food, man. This is one of them. That's one of them. Start with one. In the name of Jesus. I thought he was supposed to give me 20, so one of these he give me, that's not much for both of them. There's not even enough pepper and the garlic and stuff. I like the raw onions. You didn't put enough pepper. That's only for when you could have put more pepper in it. If I know that you put more pepper. Gosh, I ain't put enough hot pepper, man. Enough hot pepper and I did it, man. Trust me, I like the hot pepper. Enough hot pepper and I did it, trust me. Cucumber. The cucumber tastes good. I know I don't eat meat, I told you that. Okay? Okay? This is lamb with chicken over rice. I don't know, it's not real meat like meat. It's like corned beef, kind of. Some kind of vegetable and stuff with it. And if a rat meat mate or donkey meat or ass meat, the lamb. This is not the Chinese, you know. It's supposed to be halal food, Jesus food, you know. Fresh food. Everything they do fresh, everything them do different, clean. So this is halal. Halal is Jesus, so let's see. It's halal food. Bless your name, halal, halal. Thank you, Jesus. So, tell the guy, make sure you know, kind of we put in a little bit of sitting in it. Two together, we eat them together, it tastes good together. Together, the chicken and the lamb with rice together, you know, the two of them together, nice flavor you get. With pepper. So raw sweet pepper. I'm ready to pepper do you know. Oh boy. Nice, you see? You always catch me with this stuff. Can't go in and bite, you know. As much as me and you meat. Oh, look at the nose pan and get it sitting from. Okay. Oh boy. It's great. I heard some people said animal, you know, and they added video like she's some animal, you know. But you act like an animal. Oh, I act like an animal. How? Oh, me act like an animal. No man, oh, me act like an animal. Rip on 4 foot, a ball out or something like a goat. Oh, me act like an animal because I eat my food. You know about poor life and the hard life, yeah? You know, alright. More time. I made all of some hungry pipe, man, and them sitting there in Jamaica and pipe like real pipe. You know what I mean? I can't find a breadfruit, you just can't find nothing so tired, just tired, you just hungry catch you. One time I was so hungry. Me, I made 2 cousins. We carve out one circle with we name and one live apple tree. Years ago, I go up and see growing a tree. Carve out in there, so one day we come, I must go and find. I'm telling myself, so when I come and fry me, I never had 2 chicken one time. The whole chicken, long before I come and fry me, I promise I must reach her. I didn't tell you I come here. I never had 2 chicken by myself, dog. I don't want to take none. I make the chicken cheap up at them time there, you know. You know, which it is, you know. I'm not to the come here and the chicken like that, you know, it tastes sweet as the one out there. And if you name them like that, you're dead quick. Jamaica can't name enough chicken, them sweet, you know, you're not get 6 like the one you buy up here. And if I chemical I don't deal with it in a good feel like a rare. So chicken is in chicken in Jamaica sweet, not kill you, not make you sick. The old people live long till $100, the man have fresh chicken long time. But I the one of them raised. You don't know what I talk about. All them old people live to 100 and add them near meat. Then you have beef, then you have goat when the goat them kill, and then you have chicken a yard. Then you have them color low and then run down and then sit in them and then live to 100 and add ear hole. No meat never kill them. And the rat the meat, whatever they have in the supermarket, you find up an injection and sitting away and eat, or sitting away and chemical I eat. Make you get sick. Meat actually good when you buy fresh meat. Cow raise in Jamaica, you kill it and cook it up nice. My body strong. You know, kill you. So know what I talk about. The organic meat now, do nothing so. They're easy. If you make a margin and meat, you get fat. When they make eat your person. That's about fresh cow from Jamaica when they kill. Back in the days when they used to kill cow along a road, on Friday daytime, you smell the cow meat from far, smell good, you know, smell raw. You smell the beef, you smell. You know, so when you put that pan fire with some gungo for boil or some red peas, you see me have some nice soup you get. You understand with the beef. You know what I talk about. The beef and the red peas, now coconut juice, and the white flour dumpling and the cocoa, them like a piece of sweet potato for sweet it and the corn and pumpkin. Who can cook know what I talk about? And you get sick so. Because them meat are up and now we are eating a different kind of meat them there. And I sit them there to play with. So when they grow them pan and same thing. I grind it and raw garlic in my mouth, raw garlic and my breath stink. The raw garlic make a breath stink. You know, not a raw garlic on the water, sorry about that. And raw garlic and raw onion, many of raw. The onion, raw onion. But it's very good for your skin. Very good for your skin also. Go to market. You're going to market. Some big piece of beef and goat meat, they have everything one big hook. Fresh, just don't kill. And Jamaica. You still buy them and enjoy them. But when I kind of meat up also. I meet you sometime. There for a long time. They meet and there for a long time for all the years. But you don't know. You don't know. Let's eat the red and pretty, then carry the back and spray some red sitting on the meat. And meat look red and pretty and put it back out in that package. And make it come to the supermarket and see it on the buy red and pretty. I don't know what's on account there's one close by now. I don't know. And the only way I'm sitting like this, me by the man sitting can come like corned beef. And the meaty like meat, it come like corned beef. I be like corned beef somewhere, so we eat this. Just like corned beef. So I like it. It's not meat like lamb chops we buy and eat. It's not like that. It's more like corned beef. Pasteurize it with herbs and some other thing and pressure tea. Some kind of vegetarian thing that to become like corned beef. So it tastes. With the rice and the vegetables, so it tastes good. The chicken piece just blend right tonight. And it's just like how chicken that tastes by itself, like chicken regular, and it tastes like the corned beef. And the two flavors and blend in one. And the one the more saltier, like corned beef, take it over so it tastes like corned beef, the whole thing I eat you now. Tastes like corned beef, it's good. Yeah. So, at the end of the day, you have to enjoy your life. That's what life is for. I'm not looking at nobody, you know. Now look at food. So, also I don't want me to eat like this. And to cut my appetite short and stifle my food conscience to suit them, you know, what happened? When I go and try to be who I want me to be stushy and nice and picky, look at me sitting. No. No, man. I'm sorry. I'm tired. I walk a far place, I come in and bathe and all them stuff. Like my food. Clean up my face, take off the wig and something. Iron up my skin. Go to my bed for prayer. Watch a movie and go in bed. Really tastes good. You know, life is beautiful when God gives us strength, you know. Just be yourself. Not much pepper in it. Well, Olivet. So wait, man, you man be me for them. No, if you dead for younger man. I'm not supposed to eat. I'm supposed to die for hunger. So I'm not a human being. Human eat food. Me no smoke crack, me eat food. Crack no smoke. Food eat. Huh? Me not take dope, me eat. Mm. 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 Sometime I finish one day to my fridge and sometime later on tonight I wake up early before day and finish it. What I did wrong? Because I eat my food. So I don't have no right to eat my own food or I have to ask before I go buy. That's wickedness, yo. Why? Why not? I must try to stop eating so I can have skinny belly to choose who wanna find me sexy. That's not my problem. My duty is to keep my belly full. Man, nobody your duty is, you know. I don't know a joke in life. No, because we must eat small at my parish Elton. My parish Elton, I witness you see small and witness still dead. Michael Jackson used to eat light so he could spin around. He's also gone. Well, come on, man. Don't it? It's lovely. Yeah, still leave half of the food. I leave half, what do you mean? It's half. I never see the problem, you know. I never see the problem. What problem? What's the problem? I don't see the problem. I don't see the problem. Where you see the problem? I like the outfit, good, eh? You always like my stuff. My goodie say if you sell clothes, I would buy because I like your stuff when you wear them, right, goodie? Yeah. And the necklace is the same color. You see the necklace is the same color? Same color. God is good, sugar daddy. I could buy nice clothes and I can bathe and I can go to my bed. I don't owe the devil no obligation. The only person I owe is God. You can be mad all you want. I'm not the one that making life difficult because I gotta be myself and I pray to God. I love you too. Hi. Oh, that's my dinner. Feel good. I like that rice. I don't know what kind of rice they cook. Some kind of long grain rice. But it really tastes different compared to the rice that we eat. That's a real rice they have here, man. Like wild rice. So I like that food, healthy. Alright, later, I'm clean out this. It's good. It's good. Later, I'm eat up that, finish up that. I'm asleep when I wake up. So, that's some water. I love you. Well, good now. I got mangoes too for dessert. Well, the mangoes. Say hi to the lady on the wall if she's still there. You're looking through the wall is a portal, and those are the people that are coming through like a TV screen on my wall. As you can see, the spirit, they're coming through the wall like a TV screen, and you see sometime a gentleman. Now you see this young baby right there with the lady. Look, a little young baby. You saw the young baby right here, up right, a little small baby head right here. She had the baby. Just put the baby up right there, up on top of her head right there, back her shoulder like. You could see the baby? Oh, you see the little baby that she have now? Yeah. I bury you eat and left some too. Amen to that. Pour on in, girls. Get a celebrity white. Pour on in. Money is never too much pouring. You get your stuff. God bless you. God is so great. Hallelujah. Sugar daddy, your life is over now, boy. You ain't got to wait to stick those lizards' tongue. Sugar daddy have nowhere to put his lizard's tongue, boy. Your dragon tongue in your trouble now, right? Now if you push it, not sure. Put demons in a people's body. Nowhere. Oh, no, even nasty culprit, you know. Oh, you never know the days of tongue days, not tongue bad people, and they don't like it, I figure stop, right? You thought it was going to be forever, just langing out your tongue, the demons coming out and putting in a people's body. And thought it was okay to do that because, you know, you make sweet love. That makes you feel good when demon self. You see, we don't need God more than anything else. We don't want to need salvation, you know. We don't need salvation more than a plate of food. Let me tell you something, we're really sorrowful bad, we're pitiful bad. Want to take people, nice girl, pity come mashed up and on the marital. We don't have a marriage and a wife, not like one no more. I want to try to do better with the wife, you know, not the worst, and try to force her for like, you know. And when she wouldn't give up and give on, you want to go outside and go look him, and I try to boss up him and I told him I'm not around now, the wife. They are more harder. Baby, you know, you may call you. You don't tell me he's a man. No man ever tell us I want you and tell us I'm a man. No man ever come and tell us you belongs to me. No man ever do that shit again. The only time a woman might do that just to make you feel good, maybe because you buy a house gear or a car. You know, and you still have use and you want to buy something else, so you're going to tell her something, you know, to make you feel good. Otherwise, woman not bother with them sitting there again. Woman not turn puppy show no more. Them tired. Them tired of being the puppy and the show. Believe me. Not doing it anymore. Come because you still have food in the corner. And you have all boat like a pest. Come, you come like a young mama. Come. Yes, child. So, sugar daddy and ring child, you know, he didn't sit on the house, you know, you know. Him still and think about all the days that when he was enjoying himself and spread out like he thinks are sitting there going film. over into like a shilling and pence. You never know say end what's gonna come to it. And I ask God every day, you know. I say, Father God, I am one woman don't want to live this life. Why me, Jesus? I see all my citizenship and my social and sitting with God. I go down and thief them out of my house. Thief them because I feel say I go some of it tap me, I go some of it control my life. Thief them. That the unmarried man is destruction. I never see Satan like that before in my life. The man is real Satan, you know. I tell you, when the man they can't get your body to use your brother, then grow hand on top of them head. You know, see no here, then here disappear to one they have. And you wonder why them have two hand. Because they turn it to Satan child right away. Straightforward, they can't see them right, they turn it to Satan child. That's why they have two hand. They don't bother have the ear no more. Because they don't need the ear. When the hand just push up by itself. I tell you, that man was really a problem. And I know it's still a problem to society. Because not change. You see, when a man only think about his skin and like a 5-minute feelings and he have no regard on human life and respect any woman, he don't have no far go in life. When he realize who master is a Satan. Because the way the kind of deep depths where him go and how low him go. No God left in him. None at all. And you see, when they want to go there again in bed, they want to long out and tongue like a snake. And them in them can talk about them and get freaky. And them in your skin. Freaky and nasty all day. You don't marry much years until you're old. Your balls then done wrinkle and drying and don't like old bag we put all mango and old stocking. Come on. I want to go and let them have something going for them because you see, them have $2 little. Them have do one like a job site, you know? With a couple little people from the job site. And you're the boss. You know, so let me show my skin and act like me a big money man. Big money man and all them things. A big money man, look at me. Me poor, me not nothing. Me don't have anything. I'm a poor woman. I don't have zinc. I don't have nothing. I'm poor. You see my table piece of old towel, me sit down there and look pious, so a piece of old towel. My poor woman don't have nothing. I can bathe and change my clothes, that about it. I need some food. But I don't bother nobody. You know what I mean? I don't bother a soul. I don't bother a soul, child. Me and one somebody don't bother nobody at all. Yeah? But some of these men here, them is problem. They want to take out your tribe. They want to dismantle your inside like a old car them a rock pan. They want to come and tell them out full of lie. And when they lie you down and enjoy themselves, they move on to the next cockbatty sister. So one sister and the sister have a cockbatty. They're nice, you see? They're a fruit cake. They're very, very nice. They're not coming like the other cake. Let me see what it's there. And it's light. A sweet tooth. Sweet tooth. So, $2.50 for this. $2.49. See the right on the part? $2.49. Like I do, and the light, you know, come out them kind of sweet, over sweet or nothing. Okay. But I don't know that. Come. Come, come, no say food night, you want to kill yourself, come. You are not. Come. Come, come. Come, man. Why when you have a food, can I come from? I know I food you come from. See, straight I plate, I go. Damn craving. You just come in like a bad man, you have to start that. It's an animal. Yeah. Huh? Come eat, better have to eat, you know, better. But if you enjoy life like me to eat enough to show, then anyway, so might as well eat enough. Huh? Never to eat it, I just want to taste it. So you want to taste it, but just end up like a piece. I want to taste it and end up with half gone. Just good. Mm-hmm. I'm not going to smell me eat and say me eat enough. Where's me eat from? Nothing but the apple and mango never good. I mean, I eat still of overnight food, so I eat the breakfast. I'm going to go out there now. I'm going to come and eat for the first time for the day. The food I just eat. I mean, that's a big deal. Enjoy my life, no man. Wow. Don't go by man, nothing. Hey, my youth, hey, my youth, hey, my youth, my youth. Look at my skin beautiful. Celebrity white. Call and get a celebrity white. No time for eat and bad man. Alkaline water. Yes. I say I go for me all day and sometime. And I'm looking at me pregnant, but I got water in my belly. Want the boy to put the right water and I'm try to swell up the sea. Long time I try to swell up on my baby. Yeah. Sometimes I like when my tribe swell up inside. Not too good is. Hi daddy. Swell up my tribe, no daddy. Daddy swell up my tribe. Order daddy tribe swelling. Swell up the tribe, Tuffy, swell up the tribe, make me feel alright. Me a strong body girl, me and food all night. Boy, you have to strong and put out the pipe and swell up me tribe, swell up me tribe. Yo! Swell up me tribe, me say swell up me tribe. If you hear me here and sing that the food never hit the spot right, want a little piece of cake, food cake, just put on the top. Squeezing a middle and filling the gap. Full up the tribe. The tribe, full up the tribe. On the long body, what to come? Full up the tribe, full up the tribe. Hey, goody, one, full up the tribe. We don't want a boy to come cook like no little piece of saka knife. Want the long jam like the one long knife, full up the tribe. Want to sound like it squeeze out somewhere. Full up the tribe. We are tell us that we good like that, we well alive and not up in a dung underneath and not up in a night. We want the boy to strong and long to come, boy, come pull up the tribe, pull up the tribe. Full up the tribe, make me ball like a mice, full up the tribe, full up the tribe. Full up the tribe, make me ball like a mice, full up the tribe, full up the... Some girl say hula hoo, who you talk about donkey hoo hoo. When you run up your mouth on your donkey do do. You want a girl that smell like some too stinking shoe. Them attack me as celebrity smile, smells good and wild. And the pretty boy if he come make me smile and full up me tribe, full up me tribe. Yo! What you say, Gory? Full up the tribe, full up the tribe. Some girl them attack them have full tribe. No donkey tribe. No goat tribe. We have the good one with the goat tribe. Full up the tribe, me say full up the tribe. Why not joke, why feel on the spine? Touch gritty bag, make me bend down and whine. Me say full up the tribe, full up the tribe. Why you full up the tribe, full up the tribe? My body while alive and not up in there. And I just feel full up the tribe, you feel full up the tribe. All and pull, you feel pull up the tribe, while you full up the tribe. All and pull, you feel pull up the tribe, while you full up the tribe. Pull up the tribe, me say full up the tribe. Yo, full up the tribe, girl, I know say you're tight, boy, you have to wine and joke and full up your tribe. You well alive and then you're not dead like not up in a night. That's why you want the boy to come put out him pipe and pull up your tribe. Jump on one foot like a apple dick like you get hype. You never know it's so sweet like when you cut a slice of cake and it's so nice. When the icing on the top so sweet. Oh, when you jump on the bed and a wine on the bed and I brought down the place, the bed starts quick. Starts quick, the bed starts quick. Oh, the bed is a squeak, the bed is a ball out. Whoa, when some girl I walk with extra large. When the man drop in it and start to chat, then you quick, like you clean a windshield wiper, quick, like a windshield wiper, quick. You will come in like a windshield wiper, quick. Wipe it, girl, just a wipe, your world is a wipe like a windshield wiper. Oh, your world is a wipe like a windshield wiper. Hey, that's the girl, you coming like a viper. Why you hold a wipe like a windshield wiper? Oh, there's nothing about food, so my belly now gripe, ya. Me work hard and sweat to buy me food. And I don't care what you want to say. Put you to darky to. I don't give a rat's when my belly is full like that. I don't give a rat's blowholes. You blowholes not gonna speak to me. Anyway you want to. You blowholes. You. And your blowholes too. And your mama blowhole, your sister blowhole. Your father is a big blowhole. And you all is a damn family of blowhole. And you blow blowholes. And my belly is full of blowholes. And I say, bitch, when you want to start me fight. When I'm going to Hollywood, can't you see I'm doing good so far? Oh, what's having belly so I could eat the rest of the food. There's one more plate to go, you know. I don't like when it's stayed. I like to put it in from tonight. So it's ready by tomorrow if we go all through the next stripe. Yes, yeah, they did. Yeah, I think I'm right. Oh, my mother banned me. They said when I was in the bus when I was young, the bus fly off and I fly out and it hit my head and shit, you know. I never died. My mother was surprised that I was still alive, you know. Yeah, so then I was special. From that time I was in the bus, I was in public, I was in social media, and that's where I started from. That's why I know I'm still here the same way I started, man. Still on this journey for these hoes. Why if a nigga just see driving a spinning this crisp wheel you wanna blow? You already nervous, bitch, cause already lost your shift. You're talking about, man, your words ain't stick, but you ain't no shit. Get off my thing when I'm trying to go to Hollywood, blowholes. I'll blow you through the hole now. Get off my thing when I'm trying to go to Hollywood, blowholes. Your mama was a big blowhole, and his son, your brother too. And two of you, oh, troublemaker, everywhere that you go. Blowholes family you are. Blowholes family you are. Blow. Hi. Yeah, how you doing? I know. I'm not gonna behave sometime. One time. One time. I got a time. Yeah, one time. Why you don't love me, I don't care. 'Cause my food I eat and I never share. And when I eat both plate, I tell you nothing left to spare. I love my food when there's a lot on my plate. I smile. I smile with the food and take a picture in my mind for a while. 'Cause I know soon I look around the grain of the rice. They be going and crucified like Jesus Christ. They get in my throat so nice. Drop, drip this grain in my gut. Then I start to fart it up. Gas is spitting up out of this big, big gut. Oh! The rice grain and the beans, they start to touch. And the vegetable give my ass a rush. Oh, poo you. There come I fart again. You love to fart, do you love to fart? I fart killed a young lady in Jamaica before. You don't want to get killed, so let the fart go. Open that little back door. I love you too. Let the fart go through that little back door. You fart, the baby fart too. When you eat all those milkshake, your fart smell like doo-doo. But you still have to fart, though. Yes, some people fart and they twep. Yup. Wet little shit twep. Nasty, nasty, nasty twep. Thank God I don't twep. I put down a pound. High like a mountain, shaped like a clown. I said, Lord, how this water gonna flush this thing down? The toilet is filled again. And the toilet filled that it couldn't even flush. I said, call my boyfriend. He said, no, no, no. What's wrong, baby? I said, the toilet won't flush on the whole house. I said, it's filled. He said, cause it's filled too much. It's not enough pressure water to fill it to flush. That's why I never want to live in those old little private houses again. I like when you have big water swoop, take the mountain down and clean all around. I don't like those little pipe, little toilet. They're full all the way. Man, you want to eat it, you don't like me, Ada. Go and eat it and stay. Man. Take a plate fill, man. It's enough for the family. Your mother's cunt, you know. It's cunt ass people not going to go there, man. When it's cunt, well, they're not good, man. Tell you, they're not cunt. Why y'all come taking up my old page? Enough is enough. Why you doing that for? Why you taking the old page like that? Nobody in English. So what we supposed to do? We doing an Arab show? Y'all don't have respect not to comment if we don't understand. I can't see nothing what my goodies say. This is so wrong on advertising. What is this? If we go to the dog now, man. No English, we can't see no English. Come on. Put English. English no matter scone to the... Yeah, let me draw my tongue in this place, you know. Cry for your mama for you have you and come off of this mother scunt. Cry for your mama to have a demon child that go on other people thing and possessing them. You all the demons. Come lady, come out the wall. It's not on the wall and I don't know come run the people that come off and they repair so. All the sound want up here and I don't know snow upon people wall. Think I can run out here? You can't find something doing at this place where slung upon the wall. Enough is enough, man. Come on. I don't like to do this. Monster under your mama bed. Your mama is a monster. Get off this cunt now. Go away. This is no parade for the. You damn blowholes. Blowholes. Yeah, belly full now, man. Shit. What next? What I'm gonna eat next? Oh, guess what I have? Uh, I got 3 boxes of mangoes. 3 boxes. Yes, 3 boxes. I'm not seeing you all goody. What I want me to say about my life? What about your life? What you talking about? I don't know what the hell you all talking about, man. I can't help you, man. Go find Jesus, man. God bless you. Thank you so much. Are you like a monkey? Well, no, I'm not like a monkey. I'm beautiful. God bless me. I'm a beautiful lady. Blessing from God. Black woman. I don't have to be white. I don't have to be Indian to be beautiful. I accept myself as a black woman. I'm beautiful. I don't have to be white, or I don't have to be Iraqi and tie this cloth over my eye. I mean, I have to be like, oh no, to be myself. I'm beautiful without all of that. So if you're coming here and you're coming in here to get, rude, you're not going to last on here. Yeah. You're not going to last on here. You're going to be off. Y'all just going to get one by one and realize you're not there no more when you're talking back to each other. Like Jesus, come and get to know. Yeah, because, y'all don't have knowledge. You show love and respect. You come on somebody's stuff. You don't do that. I was talk about them back. I owe you. And then I come back and start to shit my black or no, because that's not nice. No, I can't stop me from being myself, Yes, baby. I hope to meet me one day. Okay, one day, no problem, honey. Leave her, no problem. Strong black woman. That's right, baby. Better tell him somebody are hustling and make money. Me no time for them. And trust me. God been great and generous to me. So if you not come right, you're fine without nothing. Love you too, my love. Love you too. God bless you too. Yeah, when you come on somebody think you have to speak English, you can't be like speaking in all the language. You gotta speak English too, so it's not an insult thing, Huh? Yeah, I'm quite okay. I'm quite fine, by the way. Are you okay? Because I'm trying to make you happy. I'm make people happy watching me. You're not okay watching me, or you're here to complain. Which one? I'm fine. I'm okay. I eat my belly full. I'm okay. Tummy full. Okay. Tummy full. Eat a lot of food is okay. Okay? I take to get the Chinese, at least I could buy clothes with this. You know, Chinese, I get all my money for nails. So I could buy this damn jumper so I get my nails done. You damn right about that shit, boy. I tell you. To clean my toenails, pick out all the white stuff, then clean it out, polish it. Me, I'm like this normally, and I mean, I have a suit. Normally, they get that $100, they can go buy, you know what I mean? Do what they want to buy it for themselves. You know what I'm saying? 2 weeks later, you're back up in there again. Just 2 more weeks. When will you get time to buy yourself anything? Clean a nail and polish it just like that and buy yourself something. I'm tired of supporting other people and can't support yourself. It's like you're taking up another child to support, you know? Trying to gimmick you and put your smile and put it over their nose to stop the smell. And the chemical them a kill with and them don't want to catch them. But they want you to wear and put it on you. And not over fear nose, you know. Some of them breath so think. And then one they say your breath stink, but when you sit upon the nose, like they want to embarrass you. You know? Go up for them nose again to like them scan like you're carrying some major disease, but they want your money. No, me love everybody me love, but it have to stop and it stop now. It stop now. Regular I'm gonna buy this outfit and I'm gonna give them nails, you know? And then see the cut fit and cut me eye pass, you know? I cut my pass, me eye pass the nails. My nails them still up my finger, them still in use. My finger them can do anything you can do normally and even better without the nails them. So they not cost me no problem. Hello, I can't take the money and buy an outfit. I can't afford it. When I done 2 weeks now and 2 weeks and 2 weeks and 2 weeks, every 2 weeks, how much money that? I when I go buy myself a piece of clothes. That time them done for them grandfather and grandparents, everybody have a whole house for living now. Eh? I used to rent one room because of your nails. You better take the money for your nails and throw in one bucket every 2 weeks or $100 and more, depends on what kind of design you used to get for your nails and sitting. Oh please. And time hard, missus. Everything I boil down to gravy nowadays. Not come cheap again. And something you put on the nail finger, then bust up and take off all the cuticle them. You know no cuticle left, then yam out all the finger and mess up and look ugly. Like you have some wild jungle bungle bud. And you get lost in the jungle for a while, please. But after a while, then take time and come back nice and pretty. And you put nail hard upon them and make them grow just like the fake nail and polish them. And you don't have to keep filling them because of your natural nail them. And stop that. You have to stop it somewhere the other, you can't continue. Sometimes you get one place to do your nails, then you do your place good, one place to do your nail good. You have to take bus and take fear and travel far to go there. To go get your nails done. You know what I mean? Real far. You know? Yeah. And some of them don't appreciate it. You know, they get a messed up job. 2 weeks later, you have to go back again. No, so I give up. Clean my nail and polish them. I want to go off it. I can take money and buy it. Mellow. And keep myself fresh. I don't have time for it, baby. I don't have the money. I don't have it. I'm not rich. I am not rich. I don't have it. I don't have it, my dear. Yes, ma'am. You know, a bad man is really a curse by some people. They're really bad man, you know. And that happens when them dirty crutches get a life really bad with them. When they see them all, they look terrible. Like life stressful when they see them. And when they see them, you have one of a dirty cloth type. When I go up on all queens and go them place, then I'm going to dress up, you know. And put on makeup more time, you know. I'm going to take one of a dirty old cloth and I'm going to find one piece of old sit and tie up my head. And put on one tight one blouse and I'm going to see, I'm going to shop, go and buy me sitting. As some go out then go pick up my things, so I don't know how I stay already. Me a million and one a week make it and change. I just so me stay. Go there and know how I stay. Right? I want to see me like them and say, but at the same time, I come out the way they Jamaica when you should look and this and that. I don't come out if I come to fashion show. I come pick up what I want. And also I feel comfortable moving around. I don't feel like dress up and put on the big heel slippers and come out like a big starting on the road and up for excitement with people. People come lick me down and rob me and take me out for money for me. For you to look at all sit and go buy. I take my time and go through like everybody else. And I feel comfortable go and come back. That's right. Oh no, I get black, you know, because take over the whole entire line. Come on now, man. And you know, just can't write out this whole heap of stuff and you don't. If I don't understand English, why write out this whole long thing? It's on somebody else's line. Come on, monkey and your stinking mama. Come on, professor. Someone who really have a drunk or chest, me tell you, man. They want to take the line and run it like it's some kind of hotline for all of them going group up and no. It's not a It's not, don't do that. Yeah. I don't like that, you know. You don't understand. Why they do that anyway? I don't like black people, but that's the only way I could otherwise the old page like this I can't get nothing in English. Yes, Goody, I'm trying to find you guys. Where you come from? I'm from Jamaica. That's where I'm from. Jamaica. Jamaica me come from. What's the problem? I'm a Jamaican, man. Oh, good. Oh, God damn. Ow. Stink pin strong, you know. Ah, shush. Hey, woo. Hey. Hot man. Ow. Ow. I know. Don't like nothing with your ear, man. Ow. Ooh. Still a hang on for your life. Ow. Oh. Time is what tight. It's time for what tight, so not come out, man. Shut. When you what tight. Sure. Can't come on. She's so tight, man. Ah, shut. It's tight, son. Now come out. What the hell? Whoa. Ow. It's up in my necklace or something. Oh, Jesus. Come on, I can't mess up this necklace. I love this necklace. Ow! Whoa. Okay. Marcia? You alright, baby? Marcia vexed on her. Marcia vexed on her. She vexed on her. Marcia vexed on her. Is that? Vex. Oh, yes. One of you for yourself, man. What I'm telling you, sir. Ciao. So we started here now. So we started here, man. Isn't it, dog? One color now, though. So one color growth. But, yeah. So feel tender from the weekend. So if I take it off, choke me. Tender, man. So tender, stab me up. Tender, dog. Eh? Tender like some girl, big scratches. Tender like on a wall. Nasty culprit all around. On a whole tender, my number one. I want something to up in my tribe. In a tender. Oh, time really hot tonight. Wow, water have to breathe me. So I feel up on my tribe tonight. If I even water, well do. Something make me feel comfortable. Hello. It feel good to get a break. Why the world is mad when I'm so calm? Why they so mad when I'm so gladful and so humble? To all my goodies who buy cream for me, make it eat and get away from sugar daddy. Eh? I don't do nothing wrong. I don't know with no man. I joke, man, make me show something shut up on my tribe. I don't know nobody. Come on, I don't know better than that. I'm not kill this woman. Come I can't run joke with her sometimes. Because someone just like take everything serious. Like, she look man. I don't look no man a big old girl. And you know what? Me left man for own for come mash up on her rectum and mash up on her inside. Not me, my love. My days them over. Jesus Christ are the only man me I seek. And me love him gone to bed. See that when me go to bed and me and Jesus alone. And the dopey with up on the wall there and bury. Sometimes Barry never come in and I wonder why I throw this something on the wall why she not come sometimes. See there? You want to see it the other way, you turn the phone upside down and you see it better. Because she's standing upside down. She not stand straight. So you see her head first. But if you turn it the other way around, where you couldn't see it, you see me can't do it on the phone. You will sketch her. Sometimes it's a man and sometimes a woman with full of that hair. It's right there. You saw it? Okay, good. It's some family member, somebody, or someone I used to be around before. But this is a long time. The person that knows the like, let me see how long. I will tell you this person, I don't know. It's not the same no more. It doesn't look the same no more. Look at it. See? It doesn't look the same no more. It changed. Yeah. Bad mind is a curse though, don't it? Bad mind is a curse, don't it? Let me show me I work and God I bless when it's so bad mind. It's a really curse, man. So I'm going to wash off my face. It's a curse, don't it? I you know say the more I'm mad, the more I'm mad and carry on, it don't have no effect to me, none whatsoever. My belly still a full, me still asleep good. Me still asleep good oh. My belly still a full. My belly still a full oh. Huh? My belly still a full. Like my belly full, I can pray to God, I'm glad for that, because nothing else in the world for kill yourself for nothing. I not kill myself for big house and fast car and millions of dollars and don't know who I am. Don't know love who I am. Don't know who people are, I love people. I don't live through vanity. I don't live through, let things of the world fool me that I don't know who I am, and I'm so lost that if a person don't have $1,000,000, I don't know them. I don't recognize. I recognize the homeless. I recognize jokes head. I recognize the dirtiest person in the street. Talk with them just like I talk with you. Just the same. And give them money if I have. Things of this world don't define me as a person to saying that, I should have an Indian ear and I should look like somebody so don't want me to look like I'm not happy. That don't define me, man. That don't bother me and stuff, man. Y'all are wasters, man. I mean, I look at y'all talking, I see some dumbass people talking. Sometimes I block y'all from my line because y'all just so dumb. And say y'all went to college and y'all have education. What kind of education y'all have? You simply don't even know how to deal with the next human being like yourself. You have no humanity. You have no intelligence. Y'all are weak to this world and weak to pretty things and colorful things. You have no strength about this earth, about nature, about water, about life, about tree, about other human life or other even living beings or pets or animal. Some of y'all don't even deserve to be on this land or to be alive because you are so ungrateful. You're ungrateful for everything. So when somebody want to come and dash big word and say educated, and you say education don't mean shit. And education was built by freaking Satan. Education was built by Satan. If you haven't run all the whole life, you go to college and don't have a good job, don't still have nothing in life. Just like everybody else, you're poor and have nothing. And I went to the ICE college and the ICE school and get the best education. And still not out there working and doing a regular job or doing nothing with no life. When you sit down, same way from hand to mouth, just like a man, we never get good education. Education don't mean shit. Education is mostly slavery. To put you in slavery. If you find money, send your kids to school so you can't find someone to put them to school. Because you know why you put them in the house. You understand? Everything is run by control. They must out of the house. They run by law. They must come out of the house and must go to school. Because they don't want the department. They don't want kids not going to school and up on the road all about. You understand me? And having fun and playing on the street and they don't have too much privilege. So time they have to go to school. When they get out of school, they have to be home and they get locked up. Can they find themselves for a certain part of the street and get locked up and I get arrested. What do I talk about? This whole thing run by the system is controlling. So now come tell me nothing about education and tell me about school and tell me about ugly and pretty. God made me like how he made me and I'm a beautiful black woman. I'm glad to be the way me is. Because I see many people don't look the half of what me is. They're not even intelligent as half as I is and they've been too much school and too much college. And then don't have no brain, non-brain, entire brain. No sense at all. So nobody can come tell me about education and tell me about this. Because someone get education make you get dumb and make you get fool. You're not no intelligence from God or no in touch with the Holy Spirit. Figure your wisdom and knowledge. You're dumb, no ras, no matter what you do. So now come tell me about education and people can they're rich and they have money. Most people are rich and have a lot of money. They don't have time to pray to God like me and you. They don't have time to have sufferation. And I thank God for my sufferation. Me thank God for my pain. Me thank God for everything me go through. Because that made me believe in God and that made me have faith in God. And see how God try to help me. So me can come on here and make a fool of myself and laugh and jolly and become my belly full because me not broke, because my business will go well. So you can make fool of your damn self. Because your money is coming in. So you can make fool of your damn self because things are going well. When things not go well, you sing and you dry up and lad and this and that and complain. When things go well, it's long and you laugh, you join many people happy, you go to your shop, you buy your fruit, you buy what you want. Because your money can't buy them. God is blessing you. You can't buy 2 plates of food and yam, you got full. One day you've got full already. Because God is blessing you. Because there was time when you couldn't yam none at all. And people couldn't yam. But it's your time now to eat a food. Right? If God not make me with straight nose or make me the way you want, cause you feel that I'm ugly and you feel I look like monkey or I look like frog, that's on you. Me not feel bad because of where me look. Because if the looks that God give me and that's how I really look. And it's drawing people attention and make me get money. Me can work inside my house. Me never have to left my house to make $1. Me sit down right inside my house and me can work my whole entire day. And make money. Right? Me now if you go out there and nobody for $4.25 an hour, $5-6 an hour, nobody has shoot me around and tell me a man a put question to me. I have to lay up with people, me not want to lay up because I want to keep a little job. God make a way for me because I have faith. I'm praying God and I will forever spread the word of God. and tell people to have faith in him because him know the ones who really love him and he know the ones that really want to change. And tick little tick from talk, I change me, I change. And me, I change myself, I gotta change me. And from the minute me start singing, I was always singing religious music and singing for God. So nobody can come tell me about you're ugly, you're this, you're that, you're not God. You're not God. You didn't make me. So whatever you want to judge me, whatever you want to feel about me, judge yourself. Make sure you have an answer when somebody ready to judge you like you judge me. And when you judge me, I don't feel bad about it. I'm glad the way God made me. It brings blessing to my life. Because if that's the way I look, make people really want to come and watch me and I'm getting views and my subscriber going up and everything is going great in all angles of my life, then I wouldn't want to be like none of uno where if you walk and catch man. Wouldn't no pretty face when I do nothing for uno. So I wouldn't like to look pretty like uno and look good like uno. I don't know nothing but for come upon a woman page where ugly as can to uno. For come cuss her because I don't know I walk about like slut dog and I pick up man and them I reject uno and some uno nasty man. Uno ear to man. For whatever reason, because I don't want to be a woman and I don't feel like me I take up on the space. So get what? The real big man I take up nobody's space. Uno lava like a woman and chat like a woman and twist no tongue like a woman, but God have brimstone and fire for uno cock a hole. You hear me? Because to each his own and all the sins spend the same way. But when somebody want to come over here to come criticize me, your time will come. We criticize me no mind you criticize me. Because we all, to every pretty face of the dead, every ugly face of the dead. Every smart face of the dead, every dunce face of the dead. Man, woman, or children, nobody's here to stay. But one thing I can give you while I'm here now and tell you. Make yourself happy with the way you look and the way you are and how God make you. Don't nobody come and sabotage you and tell you look like this and you should be afraid or you should feel bad. I feel proud when you tell me these things. Because I know I'm beautiful. Because God made me exactly the way He wanted to make me. If He wanted to make me different, He would have made me different. But that's how God wanted to make me. Now remind you, I love myself the way God made me. I don't complain. You know, I could have saved money, go already got my nose done and stuff before. I didn't even do that. I did my breasts instead. I didn't want to mess with my nose. So, you know what? When you all worrying about me, it's not hurting me. And if you think I'm ugly and look so bad, it's putting me far more than on a pretty face. Because on a pretty face, I can't compare and say I'm pretty and short so pretty. And man on the drawers, you know, on the custard hole, and nothing come out of it later on. I am here heading to the top, honey, to make people laugh, put joy in their life. Tell them about the sugar daddy, the nasty sugar daddy them. Tell them about all the hypocrite man, them all, some of them still bringing your house, and when they're done, then they're with you, them start run after woman out the door while them still live with you. You understand? They start going out and sleep out and disrespecting your relationship and all them things. That's why I'm here to talk about my life experience. Now, if somebody want to be mad with me because I talk about my life experience, that's on you. Because your life experience is not better than mine. It's worse in some things. We have more control, but you don't know how to do it. But you can't come alive and talk. Because one of those is so bad, but you can't talk. But me, I am an open book. So nobody can tell me nothing. The end of the day, nobody can tell me nothing. I be myself, and that's what I'm going to be. Speak with you, please. I'm speaking to everyone here. I'm a beautiful black woman, and I love myself. And sorry, I don't have to be Indian. I don't have to be white. I don't have to be no other kind to be beautiful. Because a lot of people never like their own black people. Everybody want to wear Indian here because they want to be Indian. Everybody want to wear white here. Everybody want to be this. And when we cream my skin, I cream myself because I want to be white. Because I'm a black, beautiful woman. And if I feel like cream, I can do that. And I could wear my natural hair to this if I feel like. And it's beautiful because that's how God made me. That is who I am. I never born with long, straight hair and this and that's not how God made me. Okay? So who want to criticize me, that's their problem. You understand? I don't feel bad. But don't come over here try to get famous on my line. Please. It's nowhere for you. Damn out of order and unforgivable. Get off here. And stop all you and don't do this disrespectful stuff in here. I don't like blocking people, but if you're not saying anything respectfully and in English, I'm going to get you off here because we need to understand what you're saying. You can't be talking to us and you're just talking to your people alone, and that don't make no sense because we don't understand what you're saying. Anyway, I love you guys. I'll call it tomorrow because I'm going to go to my bed and make sure I get a good night's sleep. I am not, wash my face off. My belly is full at this time. And brush my teeth. And I'm going to my bed to sleep. And to snore. And to give God the glory. Love you. God bless you. It's too much now, man. God bless you. Is that the old thing? Hola. Hola, I don't know what's going on, man. Tomorrow. Now I go clean this thing off my skin now. I can't take this thing off my skin. I'm going to show you guys the thing and you wouldn't believe it. If I left it like that, then nobody in English going to be here. Yeah, we can't get nobody in English here. Bye, goodie. I love you too. No man what? No man what? Don't get angry. Take her to the hospital again. Who got the hospital again, goodie? Don't get angry. This is no reason to take it to the hospital again. Who I get angry? Oh, Lord. Sorry. Don't go to the hospital again. I love you too, goodie. God bless you. Lee Brooks. Pick up yourself. Yeah, I'm belly full. Money are coming. Me I work all time. People are calling me there. Give us a name order and all them things they pick up when me come in. Money away from me. Me not no time for people. I me tell them I want to go to bed because me got full. Tomorrow. And true goodie. I left Jamaica so hard and come on Friday. This big up where things so hard. I have a clean little place can lay down sleep. Some of them wish they have like a one room right now. Which part in there? And yeah, like a one room I can go be there down sleep and yeah, work them and worry about you got full. I like a money them talk with them and worry about you. Not true? I still have 3 bags of mango and I touch it. I want to them goodie. Love it too, baby. Yes, baby, it can't be easy. It can't be easy when man so hard at this time. A lot of these bitches are so easy and the man them so hard in this time. It can't be easy when man so hard. Stay some more for what good man. Show me how sharp the devil sitting down for my face. Picture perfect, pretty like a moon, worth it. See the cheeks that I got, gonna turk it. God alone bless me, man, you can have it. Oh, I'm born a superstar. I'm born a superstar. Born a superstar, man, born a superstar. You wanna stop me, man, worry about house and car. I ain't sell my soul, man, to no devil I no uphold, man. Yo, wanna kill people to get the blood for sacrifice, you're so cold, man. Now rub shoulder to shoulder, I'm not your friend. I remember you killed that boy to get the bands. Yeah, you talk about you got money first in line, the trends. But how much people life then sacrifice for it then? Yeah, I know y'all hate as you can't see. But through my eyes dazzle like a glass. I see you through my eyes at every task. How you move sideways like them snake on the grass. So fast. They cut your neck, they cut your string, the blood flow out. In a bucket they drink like a soda pour out. They ain't got no sanity for your soul when the devil call out. They gotta get somebody to sacrifice, then you fall out. Man, they so cold, they want to stop me. They keeping in the trap they set to catch me. But they don't see the good Lord of mercy, cause God has got me. Y'all talking with your enemy shit, man. Y'all want to stop me. All the calling my phone all night to stop me. But I tell you what, nothing you say can crack me. Cause black ain't crack, remember that. Even when you clean up your gun and load up your shot, you try to shot, but you will jam. Want you know to remember what it said. God is coming and everlasting on. Y'all a fool and fake and idiot. Run by the world, society turn your back. You're worried about your higher than drinking coke than when you're smoking crack. You're eyeing the chicken wing frying from the Chinese fat. You're worried about the dog, you're worried about the cat. You're worried about the fried boneless rat. Y'all keep talking, man. When I keep fucking the truth, y'all keep hurting, man. You sit in a corner like a dog, like a little brute. But you come with your friends out here to bring me down to recruit. But bitch, I tell you something, you're still being a hoe, and that's the truth. Ain't no way you all gonna stop me, man. All the crowd is from all over the world is flocking me, man. God is an angel beside me by the wall, they got me, man. Yeah, you see this fool? They run up a day, talk about they go to college and school. Y'all they run over the place, gallop like a goddamn mule. They ain't got a business, they ain't got a job. They ain't got no furniture and every good place they don't have. Yo, I put on my knees, I pray to God. Thank him for every day for make my life joy but not so sad. But now they want to come and crucify me for the little bit that I have. Ain't no time to play fool when it comes to devil tool. Money is what the devil play with, like a card pack. The devil take the money, still the stash, just like a whole card pack. That's the game the devil play. When you see those money, you see the bill, man. You lost your mind, you go the wrong way. But remember first, remember God is in your heart to stay. See, when you die, money can't take you no place. It's only your soul you need to rest in peace. But instead, you can't be in your coffin, man. You just can't sleep. Because you never remember when you're praising the devil and killing somebody else. Draining out the blood out the meat. Yo, I heard you whisper again in my ears. Trying to go through my brain. Trying to stop me from thinking, from me go insane, man. I hear you, man. I hear you through these ears right here, man. Trying to tickle my ears like tickle your fancy. Or tickle spot. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Tickle spot. Tickle spot. Mommy. Look at these people alone here. That's fine. Seven. Pick up yourself, Ellie. Eat a fish. Yo, man. So like I said to you, man, you know. Yeah, I love you too, goddammit. Yo, they want to stop me from being my pretty skin, pretty white out. Celebrity white out, make the light out. Yo, bitches want to knock my bleaching cream. Yo, looking a frog, just lost the frog out. Skin so black and crusty, man. Where you get those spots? From eating the Chinese rice, you're still going back? Oh, no, I ain't get my berry. You ain't catch my cat, man. Yo, I'm a loser hoes, man. Why you want to blow, man? Your mama was a blowhole right in Wall Street, man. Right on Wall Street, my nigga. Right on Wall Street in the corner 42nd. Moving on up to divine. Final got a piece of the pie. Yo, my niggas is like that. I drink the water like crystal in my brain. I drink the water cause it full up my gut, but it never put me insane cause the goodness of the water wash the cleanness through my brain. Oh, they keep talking while I keep on drinking the water, the water. They keep talking while me drinking the water, water. When the beat and the beat up, they come and I hear the beat. Water, 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 water. Girl, you're not big up full of water, water, water. Some girl are walk and a drip and water, water. Girl, make you big up full of water, 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 water. Who was it, the drum and the bass? Water, water. Girl, I make you big up full of water, water. Full of, water, water. Poop, 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 poop. I wanna love you night and day. Another day. Hi, water. How you doing this splendid night while going on my throat? How does it feel to go so deep in my throat, you water? I know you like it. You go the deepest in my throat. Nobody else ever goes so far, you damn water. You're smart. You know how to go all the way down. You take it to the throat and you go all the way back to my gut and then you exit to my body. Girl, you can do it no better than that. You're so good, water. So water's so good, right? Water always go in the secret place of man that nobody goes. Water always goes there. Like, go down there. Water, you goes there. Water goes into all. Water just goes in my tongue. Water goes in my throat. The water just I'll make love to my whole entire body. But the water just go right through and just stream through. What a nice emotion. I want to dance with somebody. I'm in love with somebody. Need somebody to love me. Yeah. I want to dance with somebody. Yeah. Then I try to better with it too full now. And now I move that jump sideways like frog. Look at the food impregnated me doing. Food can't really breed people, you know. You know, the food can't breed people until the seafood breed me. Look at me 9 months now. 9 months. I'll call it ambulance. Lord Jesus. Food breed me to rat. You see it? Just like a 9 months. I can't tell the breed me after. Just quick to take the shape. Everything is a barrel. They call me barrel belly. No, baby barrel belly is sexy. After I give birth a man, and I tell it a man we give birth, he come down flat after I give birth. Well, to it look like a 6 o'clock an early birth, my foggy. 6 o'clock an early birth. I wanna dance with somebody. Ooh. Oh God, it's a big fart. He came out to save the size of the gut and bring it down. Well, it must cut on a bit because that was a big one. Like one big old swing in, so one big part is a cut off. See how these said smell a little go. It's gone. It didn't last long. It was clean. It's a clean shot. It's a clean shot, honey. I'm gonna go now. Good night. I love you. I spend the rest of the night by yourself. I'm gonna take a shower and go to bed. Well, I take a shower already. I'm gonna clean my face and my teeth and I'm going to sleep. Yes, let the body let out the gas. I got me baby. Call and get a celebrity white. There's more left and I'll make some more again. So just call right in. And remember, soon I have the coconut whitening cream coming up very soon. So if you like coconut smell, I have that. Just gotta mix it up. Call right in and get a celebrity white. 347-469-3874. Make like money and go back to Jamaica before my day to spend like a time. Look like me there for a friend that, but more get like a time for spend and go down there, eat some breadfruit and sitting. Cause my dad want to be ready to Jamaica. I don't want their friend. I don't want their friend and I can't even go back across with the water. That's gonna be a problem. I don't want that. I want able for the cross. Although I can travel anywhere but I just want them, you know. Yes, I know. Well, we're not gone. For the people have gone back off of the line, right? I'm sorry. I love you guys. You want to say the spirit before I go? Alright. Before I say the spirit, and I can't talk to you. See it there? See it right there in the wall. Look now. Look, you see? See it, people. It's right here. Mm-hmm. You see it? You can say good night. That's important when they come true. They keep from this way. You only can't see it from this way. I don't know why. Already gone already. Oh, it's right there. She's right there. Yeah, right there. Yeah, so you see now? Yeah, so we're gonna go to sleep. She's his, I am, and Barry is. Everybody going to sleep. Yeah, water wet up made it feel kind of like itchy like. So. Oh man, yeah, I love it too. Tomorrow. I go in bed, man, tomorrow, man. I'm about stay all the time tomorrow. If I feel me come back on, because I know my head stay. But for now, let me go wash off the sitting off my face. Maybe after I wash it off, I feel good and I lie on my bed, I can't talk to him. But for now, I go. One day, mama. Yeah. True love. Yeah, good girl, Olivet. Oh, where there, mama? Erica, me there. Melissa, Louis, me there, man. Yeah, me there, mama. Please, no more or what? Food? I eat more food, man. Yo, when I talk all this stuff, you don't understand, and a good sign, you know, man. They don't give the people in English a chance for like even they might watch and then just a comment and nobody not understand. Give somebody people to even comment then, no? Come on. That's not right. It's not right, man. Too much. Yeah, I can't even go to them comment because there's too much of this stuff. Too much. I don't know how they come coming out. None of my friends, I don't understand all this. I mean, I like to black people, but otherwise I have no other use to my line if I don't do that. And now look at a comment for saying else. A comment, you can't understand nothing. Go there, I love you tomorrow. I'm going to show you something when I'm done. I'm going to take a picture and show you the amount.
It's a lot, man.